The Grips Bolt-Safe rail bag, building on the legacy of the Bolt-Safe pouch, the Bolt-Safe rail bag features the same best-in-class self-closure system that makes it almost impossible for loose nuts, bolts and other small items to fall out. The reinforced mesh window allows light into the pouch, eliminating the guessing game of trying to find items in the pouch by touch alone. And the two straps on the back allow it to be quickly and securely attached to the handrails of scaffolding or scissor lifts. This item is load rated to 5 kilograms or 11 pounds.